and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Golden Hawk Technology. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for latest updated videos. So today I am going to make a video on how to solder a zero PCB systematically. As you can see, this is a zero PCB which we generally use. There are many replications of the PCBs. See, there are like the PCBs like this many, but the most preferable PCB is this one because soldering gets stick to this PCB very well. So I am going to show you some examples. This is a water level indicator. This was the very first circuit which I had soldered during my electronics journey. And this is the same zero PCB. This is the same water level indicator which I had soldered recently. As you can see here, the method of soldering. This is very clear and this is very difficult to peel off. But this circuit can get disconnected very easily. So without wasting my time, let's get started. The components you'll be needing for soldering is a soldering wire. This costs 155 rupees, a zero PCB and a soldering iron. In this video I am going to build a SR flip-flop using NAND gate IC. This is the SR flip-flop. This is the structure of NAND gate IC. Pin number 7 is ground. Pin number 14 is VCC. This IC consists of 4 NAND gates, where pin number 1 and 2 is the input of first NAND gate, and pin number 3 is output of NAND gate, of first NAND gate. So let us see the truth table of NAND gate. This is the inputs and this is the expression for output. In this gate, the output is only low when both the inputs are high. So let's see the circuit of SR flip-flop. SR flip-flop consists of 4 NAND gates, where it has 3 inputs, where S is reset, S is set, R is reset. This is clock. There are 2 outputs, Q and Q bar. This is the block diagram of SR flip-flop. This is a truth table of SR flip-flop. I will be making a separate video on this in the future. First you have to take the IC, and according to the circuit you have to draw a separate circuit in a paper. As you can see, this is in the circuit. This is S, this is clock, this is R, this is ground, and this is plus VCC. This is outputs Q and Q bar. So let's get started. So this is a 16-pin IC base. Let's place it on a PCB first. See, after placing like this, first you have to solder the pins so that it stays stiffly and does not dislocate while doing the process. This is a solder remover. When sometimes you make wrong connections, this helps to remove the soldering. These both pins were not soldered. base, you can see a cut shape here. This represents the top, which means you have to start counting the pin numbers from here. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on from here. But since we are using a SR flip-flop, since we are using a 7400 IC, it's only 14 pin IC. So these two pins are neglected. Let us place the SR and clock port and let us solder it. Okay, then this is for as you can see here, this is ground and this is VCC, which is located at the bottom of the IC. So let us solder this one. Next, this is for outputs Q and Q bar here, which is located at the right side of the IC. Careful while soldering it, because in these type of PCBs you can get these PCBs get shorted very quickly. So all the parts are placed in the PCB. So first let us solder the S pin to pin number 1. This part is yes, this is yes. So this will be soldered here. This pin is yes, this is 1. Yes, pin number 1. See, while making connections, you have to solder the path, the void one, and then observe closely. Like this, connection is made. The same way, in the same way, you have to proceed further. Soldering this way, connection becomes more perfect in accuracy. So 1, 2S is finished. So now next, let us solder R to pin number 5. Reset is pin number 5, and this is reset. Check, as you can see, third pin. This is reset, and pin number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 5. This one. Reset pin is connected, so let us now connect clock. As you can see, clock, this is pin number clock. In clock, pin number 2 and 4 both are shorted and given to clock. So let us first short 2 and 4 and give it to clock. In this pin, this middle void is for clock. So first let us short 2 and 4. This is 2 and this is 4. You have to be careful when both. You have to be careful in this part. Please observe closely. chances of getting shorted. If they get shorted, you can use the solder remover, which I had used earlier. It takes time and patience to solder such in this procedure. But this is the effective procedure. And 4 are shorted. Now clock is ready. So now next. So let us see what's next. Now see, pin number 3 is connected to pin number 13. So this is 1, count should go like this, 1, 2 and 3. This pin number 3 is given to 14. 14 means, see, here only for first side only 7 pins are counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, from here it goes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is pin number 13. Here, this is pin number 13. Here, this is pin number 13. So let's solve it. Pin number 3, this is pin number 3 and this is pin number 13. These are shorted. And pin number 13 are connected. So let's see the next connection. Pin number 6 and pin number 10. So in this, pin number 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 10. Let's connect the power supplies, that is 7 is ground and pin number 14 is connected to VCC. This is pin number 7. This should be grounded, that means this is the ground terminal and this is the plus VCC terminal where the power supply is given. This is the ground, this is pin number 7, this should be given to ground. This is pin number 14, this should be given to plus VCC. So pin number from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we should be going to ground. and share this video. And if you want any new electronics related video, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.